You may be surprised to know that anyone can call themselves an accountant. There are no legal restrictions. So how do you know what you're getting? The best way is to ask if they're properly qualified. In the UK, there are two main professional accountancy bodies, chartered and certified. There are others, including cost and management or public finance accountants, but traditionally chartered and certified are the most highly regarded. You may hear the term registered auditor. In the UK, only registered auditors are allowed to issue a statutory audit report. When someone calls themselves an accountant or bookkeeper, they may not be qualified or regulated by any professional body. You should expect your accountant to be available to help you, to have experience and to be able to advise on every aspect of being in business. The good ones are proactive. They tell you something before you realise you need to know it. But that's not always the case, even with qualified accountants. You should be able to talk to your accountant. It doesn't have to be face-to-face. We use video conferencing and live chat as alternatives to meeting in an office. But you do need to trust them and be able to speak honestly and openly. Here's a simple rule we always recommend. If you tell us the truth, we can help you. And if you tell us before you do something, we can stop you making mistakes. But if you only tell us half the story, only expect half the advice. So if your accountant does the same, well done. You have someone who will be there when you need them and will help you make the right decisions. If that's not your situation, it's time to think of a change. Oh, and in case you're wondering, Brightstar is both chartered and certified. And the icing on the cake is that we're also registered auditors.